Hello, and welcome to Using and Defining Super Elevation for Open Roads Designer. The intent of this course is to learn how to create, edit, and review super elevation information using the tools provided in Open Roads Designer. You'll learn about the super elevation XML preference file that controls how super elevation is calculated. We'll also take a look at how to create super elevation sections, lanes, and transitions, and how to apply the super elevation transitions to your corridor. We'll also take a look at how to review and edit super elevation data. Now, before you begin this course, it's recommended that you have gone through the Quick Start for Open Roads Designer Geometry, as well as the Quick Start for Open Roads Designer Corridor Modeling. Now, before we begin, I just want to do a quick overview of the typical steps for creating super elevation. So the first thing you want to start with is a 2D DGN file, where the super elevation data will be stored. And it's typically a best practice to create your super elevation in its own 2D DGN file. You can also create it in the geometry or corridor file, but a best practice is to create it in its own 2D DGN file. And once you have the drawing created, you want to attach your horizontal geometry. Horizontal geometry is required to create super elevation. And then our next step would be to create our super elevation section along our corridor or our alignment, and then define our super elevation lanes, calculate our super elevation transitions and cross slopes, and then from there we can do some reviewing and editing as needed. Then once we have all our super elevation set, then we can assign it to our corridor.